Long ago, deep in the golden heart of the African savanna, lived a lion named Zuba. He was strong, he was feared, but above all, Zuba was lazy. While other animals worked, Zuba napped on hilltops, under the blazing sun, believing the land owed him everything simply because he was king. Then came the drought. The rivers dried, the grass withered, and the animals grew worried. They gathered beneath the old baobab tree, but Zuba only yawned. Why worry? The rains will come. Wake me when they do. But the rains didn't come, and the animals grew weaker. So they turned to someone else, someone who listened. Tembo, the wise old elephant, stepped forward with calm and strength. We must dig, determined. We must gather, we must survive together. And so they did. Zebras dug wells, monkeys gathered fruit, giraffes kept watch. Together, they turned hardship into hope. Zuba, he slept, until hunger forced him to rise. He wandered the dry plains, weaker than he had ever been, until he came upon the animals' village, full of water, food, and unity. For the first time, Zuba hung his head, ashamed. I was wrong. A king should protect, not sleep. A leader should serve, not rule alone. Tembo stepped forward and, happy, smiled. Encouraging. Then help us, Zuba, and be the king this land truly needs. And from that day on, Zuba led not by fear, but by example. He stood guard. He taught the young. And the savanna was never the same. A true king is not the loudest, but the one who lifts others in silence. And that is how the LazyLion became the leader of the land.